along, get up and let's shout hooray now!
We're gonna have a wubbulous kind of day now. Come on, Sierra. Okay.
Just grab a hat and spin around.
Hello.
You'll be 10 feet off the ground.
Great.
Come on along, we're waiting for you.
Come on.
This is the song to welcome you to the Wubbulous world of Dr. Seuss.
Hello! Hello to you. I'm so glad that you're here. Oh, I like it a lot. It's just not as much fun to be here when you're not. Come, this way. You must see what my good friend Terrence McBird is doing today. Today, my friend Terrence is going to fly from this spot all the way up to the tip-top branch of this tree.
To go where no bird has gone before.
And you are going to perch on that top branch.
That's right, Cat. Okay, here we go.
You, Bird,
Here
are
we go.
flying to the top branch for the very first time. What's wrong, Bird? What happened? Did you get a cramp in your wing?
No,
Did you sprain your beak?
no,
Do you have a tummy ache?
no. The problem is, I'm scared.
Oh,
I'm scared of doing things for the first time, Cat.
Oh, you are. Oh, but why, Bird? I love doing things for the first time.
You do?
Sure. There is nothing I like more than doing things I've never done before.
Yeah, but you're the cat.
'Cause I know how much fun they're gonna bring.
I don't know, Cat. I'm still scared, you know?
And if I get a little scared, here's the way I like to stay prepared. I say to myself, well, there's a first time for everything.
There's a first time for wearing a hat.
That's the first time I've ever done that.
There's a first time for playing with string.
There's a first time for everything. Think of what you'll have in store, all the places you'll explore.
When you take the sky and spread your wings. Yeah!
Think about how good you'll feel, and suddenly it's no big deal.
Just say to yourself, there's a first time for everything. There's a first time for jumping round the house. There's a first time for dancing with a mouse. There's a first time to listen to me sing. There's a first time for everything. There's a first time for everything.
Yowza!
You know, you're right, Cat. Doing things for the first time is fun. I'm going to fly to the top of that tree.
Good for you, Bird.
Okay, here we go.
There you go.
On my mark. Get set.
Go.
No, go.
What is it?
I'm still afraid I won't make it.
There's nothing wrong with that, Bird. It often takes many, many tries to get a new thing right.
Oh, hey, Cat. It's a story. Oh, I wouldn't want to miss a story.
Okay. At the Seussville home of Sarah Hall Small, a first will happen that's important to all. Let's go find this story. Let's crank up the Wubbuloscope and take a look at the map. Now, Sarah Hall Small lives in Seussville, which is right here. Let's have a look through the Wubbuloscope. Why, there's Sarah Hall Small in her very best sweater. And here's Sarah's mom, who is coming to get her.
Come on, Sarah. Oh, here. Let me button your sweater for you, honey.
Before her mom can really get to it, Sarah says,
I think I can do it. Well, are you sure you don't need any help? Got it! Ta-da! I did it! I buttoned my own sweater for the very first time. That's great, Sarah. I'm so proud of you. Thanks, Mom. Wow, I think I like doing things for the very first time. Wow, this is great.
Now Sarah's mind begins to race, thinking of all the firsts she could face.
I can hardly wait. There's lots of things I want to do for the very first time. Like go down a big slide for the very first time. Now be careful, Sierra. I will, Mom. My first time going down the slide. Good luck, Sierra. Best of luck. I'm coming down. Whee! Mom! Congratulations, Sierra. Thanks, Mom.
Excuse me, little girl, but was that the first time you came down that slide?
Yes, it was.
Wow, then we must celebrate. Here, have a nut.
Oh, thanks. This is a big day for me. I could do that someday. I just know I could climb to the top of a mountain. I just know I can. I can do this. I can make it. I made it! Yes!
I've never seen you around here before.
That's because this is the first time I've ever climbed to the top of this mountain. I'm very proud. I did it! Do you need help buttoning your coat? No, Mom.
The top of a mountain, yes, that's pretty far. But what if she went to some faraway star?
Wow. Maybe, just maybe, one day I could be an astronaut. And I could go into outer space to some faraway planet. Wahoo! Wow, I've never been to the planet Firstula before.
No one has. You are the first person to come to the planet Firstula!
That is a big deal.
Indeed. Allow me to welcome you with the planet Firstula handshake. Firstula, glad you're here. Let's give a great big Firstula cheer.
Hooray!
You like that?
Yeah, I like that cheer. Oh, look, Mom. Oh, you buttoned your coat, too. That's another big first for you. Oh, that's nothing. Wait till you see all the other stuff I'm going to do.
Yes, Sarah has lots of first times in store. She'll do many things she has not done before. What an excellent first for Sarah Hall Small. Let's see if Terrence is ready to fly to the top of his tree.
Okay, Cat. I'm almost ready to fly to the top of the tree for the first time. But I'm still a little nervous.
Do you think it might help having more cats cheering you on?
What? Oh, yes, I do, Cat. That's it. That's exactly what I need.
Then cheering little cats you shall have. Come out, A and B and little cat C.
Little cat A at your service. Little cat B is just behind A. Hiya, cat.
Little cats, Terrence needs us to cheer him on.
Oh, yeah, let's go. Come on.
Thank you, Cat. I feel certain this will help. Thank you, little cat.
Go, Terrence.
Okay, Cat. Here I go.
Go, Terrence!
Go, Terrence.
Oh, that was good, Terrence.
No, it wasn't, Cat. I didn't make it. I'll never make it.
You almost did make it. You just need to flap your wings harder.
Yeah, and bend your knees more on the takeoff. And remember to point your beak straight up.
And raise your tail feathers more on the next try.
All right. Gotcha. Next time.
Another story. And when we come back from this story, Bird, you are going to make it to that top branch.
Oh, thank you, Cat. I am going to make it.
Head to the jungle at a very fast pace. Morton is sleeping at his pal Junior's place. Morton the elephant bird's first sleepover. Now that is a very big first. Let's have a look.
That's a good idea.
Let's see. Morton lives with his father Horton in the jungle of Newell, which is right here. Let's take a trip on a Wubbulous breeze to find young Morton in a house in the trees. There's Morton packing. That's him, all right. Getting ready to leave for his first overnight.
So, are you all packed?
Well, I got my hairbrush, my toothbrush, my tail comb, my wing duster, and my trunk scratcher, and my tufty bear.
Wow, it looks like you're all ready to go.
That's right. This is my first overnight at my best friend's house. Let's go, Dad.
Okay.
Let's go to Junior's.
And so the two set out at the end of the day to the kangaroo's house, not so far away.
This way.
Okay.
Hiya, Morton.
Hiya, Junior. I'll be there in a minute.
Okay. Okay, Morton. I'll see you tomorrow.
All right, Dad. See you tomorrow. Dad? I know it's not time to go to bed, but can we say goodnight like we always do?
Of course, son.
Good night.
Sleep tight. Dream of elephant birds in flight.
Okay, Dad. See you tomorrow.
Have a great time.
Yeah, I'll have a great time. I hope. Dad?
Oh, yeah?
Well, what if I don't want to spend the whole night? Would you get mad if I wanted to come home before tomorrow?
Of course not, Morton. If you want to come home, I'll be happy to come and get you, okay?
Okay, Dad. You better go now.
Oh, bye.
Hello, Morton. Come on in. Okay. Wow!
Do it!
Let's play something different.
Okay. Oh, watch this.
Wow! Kangaroo beds are sure bouncy.
Yeah, just like kangaroos.
It's bedtime, boys. It's time to get in the bed, not just on it.
Yes, Mother.
Time to stop bouncing. There. Now get ready for sleep. Oh, wait a minute. I have to get something.
Hey, Morton, what's that?
It's my Tufty Bear. I always sleep with him.
What a nice Tufty Bear, Morton. I'm glad you brought him along.
Thanks.
Yeah, he's okay.
Now, are you ready for your bedtime story?
Yeah!
For tonight's bedtime story, I'll be reading from Mathematics Made Easy.
Goody!
2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 8 plus 8 equals 16. The end.
Oh, what a great story, Mom. I love it when those 2 8s add up. I've never heard a bedtime story like that, Junior. But I liked it. I really liked it.
Tomorrow we'll read about what happens to 16. Now it's time for your lullaby.
Yay!
Go to sleep, little ones. Get your recommended rest so you'll grow big and strong. 8 hours is the best. Healthy bones, shiny teeth. A more productive day. In the morn when you rise, you'll eat oat bran and hay.
Sleep tight, Junior. And Morton, sweet dreams.
Night. That's the first time I ever heard a lullaby like that. Didn't you love it? Yeah, but, well, I'm still kind of, well, awake. Oh, what am I gonna do? I'm still wide awake.
But the night grows ever more dark and deep, and the young elephant bird cannot get to sleep.
I wish I could get to sleep. I wish everything wasn't quite so different from my house. I miss Dad. I miss my room. Oh, what's that? I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Hey, Junior, I think we have a situation here. Junior? Hello? Big, ugly monster making big, ugly, scary sounds. Junior! What? That! There! The big monster! Morton, well, that's not a monster. It's just the shadow of the truffula trees from outside my window. What about that sound? Oh, that's just the wind blowing through the biscula bushes. I thought it was a monster, but it's not. That's no monster, Morton. But, Junior, what if it was a monster? What would we do? What don't we do? We'd scare it away. Yeah, we'd scare it away. You and me, like this. The monster's gonna scare us away. Yeah.
What's going on in here?
Oh, hello, Mother.
Junior, you and Morton should be asleep.
Oh, well, you were asleep, Mother. But then we woke up, and we had to scare away the monster.
Oh, I see.
But we did, didn't we, Morton? Yeah, Junior. We scared that monster away. You and me.
Well, I'm glad to hear it. Well, Junior, do you think you could go back to sleep now?
Yes, Mother.
Morton, how about you? Can you sleep now?
Yes. Yes, I can.
All right, then. Mwah. Sweet dreams to both of you. Mwah. And I'll see you both in the morning.
Hey, Junior. This is my first overnight ever at your house. And I'm having a great time. Me too. Good night, Morton. Good night, Junior. Oh, wake me up if you see any monsters. You got it, Morton. Okay.
Just for a moment, Morton closes his eyes. But when he wakes up, he gets a surprise.
hours. I did it! I stayed the whole night!
Good morning, Morton.
Good morning, Junior. This is the first morning after the first night of my first sleepover.
And now you're gonna have your first kangaroo breakfast.
Yay!
I'm glad Morton's first sleepover went so well. Now let's see how our friend Terrence is doing. Are you ready, Bird?
Why, yes, Cap. I'm ready to give it another try.
Did you hear that, little cats? Terrence is going to try it again.
All right, way to go! That's great, Terrence.
Remember, strong wing flaps.
Right.
And bend your knees at takeoff.
Got it. Thank you.
And point your beak straight up.
Radio. Here I go. I'm here. I flew to the very top branch for the very first time. I did it! I made it to the top! Hey, down there! I did it!
Good job, Terrence!
Hey.
You did it! You did it! We knew you could! You flew to the top like you said you would!
I couldn't have done it without the help of all my friends. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome!
It was worth it.
Well done, Bird.
This has been a great day, Cat.
Yes, it has, my good bird. Let's all learn today from our feathered friend's flight and keep trying new things till we do them just right.
Hooray for us. Hooray, I say. Hooray for all the fun that we have every day, and all the new faces and all the new places we see, just you and me. So come back soon, and when you do, I'll have some new surprises in my hat for you. Just one last thing, and then I'm on my way. Let's shout hooray!